Welcome, my name is Max from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today we're going through the Supine Push Up Plus exercise from the ACE home-based maintenance program. The purpose of this exercise is to allow movement of your shoulder blades and strengthen the muscles surrounding the shoulder blades. So you should feel it predominantly on the lower side and surrounding the shoulder blades, that these muscles are engaged. I will provide a couple of levels of difficulty, so choose one that feels like a comfortable challenge for you to start. So for this exercise we're gonna go on the ground, and as always with all the ground exercises, we want to ensure that our back is flat on the ground, our lower back is flat on the ground, so you don't want to arch your back. You want to keep the core engaged and make sure that the lower back is on the ground. Since some of you may not have dumbbells, we're using an alternative, water balls. So you can fill them based on how heavy you want the weight. And then for this exercise, you will angle your legs so that your lower back can stay on the ground. You keep your core engaged, lay your head flat on the ground, and then take the weights and extend your arms. Now the exercise begins out here, so you want your arms extended the whole time. Your elbows shouldn't be flexed. And then you push from your shoulder blades up. So it's just a very small movement, and you're pressing up from your shoulder blades. Important to keep your neck relaxed, and don't take a leaking water bottle, because otherwise this will happen. Please see the disclaimer on the website prior to engaging in exercise, and thank you.